welcome back to my channel. As you know, it's EpicTourzZ, where it's about fun, food, travel, and being able to work remotely. So today we are at Hellshire. I am getting something to eat. You know I can't come Hellshire and don't get a fish or two. So I'm getting fried and steamed, but just gonna eat the steam now, carrying home the fried. So yeah, I usually come here. This is Bev and Son. I love it here. Like, it's always just the environment is nice. It's spacious. It's quiet now. I usually come during the day, so I'm not sure exactly how it is in the night. But yeah, so it's a nice spot to just come and chill because everybody knows that the water is so close now. I'll show you guys shortly. But the water is really close, so to go out and swim now for me is not such a big thing as in here. It's just really to get fish. So I hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so welcome to Bev and Sons, my favorite place to eat when I go to Hellshire Beach. And just to know, as you enter, they actually give you the chance to choose the fish that you would like, and then they start the process. So watch the cooking now, see if we can make some steamed fish, some fried fish. Hope you guys enjoy it. Making what?
6 festival for you.
Right.
I did want more than that.
6, I did 4. I did 6.
Huh?
I did 4, or you did 6.
6 a year. 4 is enough, right?
Yes, I'm a mother.
You know, say I'm going to eat enough. Did you know that?
Not this one.
I don't know.
Not this
Looks are
one.
deceiving. What you say? It's your mother, guys. Looks are deceiving.
We can't eat this one.
Huh?
We can't eat this one. Where's with the fish? No, me literally can't eat so much.
How the amount you can eat?
4 with the fish. I probably have 2, but yeah.
So the way I cook wild dog, how much you can have wild dog?
2.
2?
Can't eat.
Huh? 2 are still, but you can love
I just have to ask these things.
You see that video?
No, you can tell me what you just said about the fish.
You want to put me in there, it's up to you.
Alright, what you said about frying it in the same thing as a fish?
Some people, rest of fish,
Right.
so fry a different alpha. So long as you do, hopefully you can eat it that way.
No problem. Gotcha. Oh,
I'm a wanted man.
you don't want to get in another trouble here? I would never do such a thing. So, like, what kind of seasoning when I add to the fish before?
Okay, we use black pepper, salt, fish season, garlic powder. I'm mixing in one. Black wine little? Yeah. Black one? Yeah. Maggi one? Yeah.
The Maggi one, I'll put that.
That's the right one.
The Maggi.
That's the trying to try.